Many traders think retracement and pullbacks means the same thing, but they don't know. And if you don't know, understand the difference, you will enter trade too early or mistake a reversal for a continuation. In this video, I will explain in it the simplest way possible, so you never confuse them again. First of all, we discuss about retracement. Retracement is a just temporary move against the recent price move. For example, price goes up strongly, then it moves down a little. That small move down is called a retracement. That's it. It simply means price is the correcting part of the previous move. Most traders measure retracement using Fibonacci levels like 3, 8%, 50%, and the last one is 60%. So remember, retracement is equal to percentage correction. It does not automatically mean the trend will continue. And now we're talking about pullback. What is a pullback? A pullback only happens inside a clear trend. Let's say the market is in an uptrend. Higher high, higher low, higher high. Again, the price drops slightly before going higher again. That small drop is a pullback. The important thing is this: pullback happens inside a trend and usually continue in the same direction. So remember, pullbacks is equal to temporary pause in a strong trend. The biggest difference between retracement and pullbacks, the easiest way to understand it: retracement talks about how much price moved back. Pullback talks about where it moved back in a trend. Let me explain simply. Retracement focus on percentage, pullbacks focus on trend structure. Every pullback is a retracement, but not every retracement is a pullback. Why? Because sometimes price retrace and then reverse completely. That is not a pullback, that is a potential trend change. Why this matter in a real trading? Many traders see a 50% retracement and enter immediately, but they forget to check, is the trend still strong? Has structure broken? If structure is broken, it is not a pullback anymore. It could be a reversal. Smart traders always check structure first, they then look at retracement levels. Simple rule, you can use it. Before entering a trade, you ask yourself, is the market trending clearly? Are higher highs or higher lows still forming? Has the structure been broken? If the trend is intact, it's likely a pullback. If structure breaks, be careful, it might be a reversal. Understanding this small difference can improve your entries and protect your capital. If you want a more simple trading explanation like this, make sure like and subscribe my channel and press the button bell icon for next video.